Hey guys, and welcome to Algorithm. So this is another video. Today I don't even know what I'm going to do today. But anyway, let's try and see what we can do today. So I've just opened up here pbradar.io. If you don't know this, when in these programs, when they post their bounties, their bug bounty programs on like HackerOne, or rather this like Remedy here, even Hack and Proof, you can get them through this. You can just see the latest ones. For example, we want to do Web 2, not Web 3. So we want to do Web 2. And let's see something with the wildcard. Oh, Oppo has, I didn't know they had one. We can try this one and see. And they also have a wildcard. Probably this is a wildcard here. So let's do this program. We don't even need to log into BugCloud. Or was it HackerOne? Yeah, it's HackerOne. I didn't know Oppo had one. Let's see if we can get something on Oppo. And guys, I don't know if you have tried it or not. Don't know if you have tried it or not. But let's say github.com stroke algorithm pwd stroke gripper. Try this out. New updates are coming soon, so just hang on. New updates are coming soon. Okay, let's see this one. So what's here? Ensures payment within 1 month. Okay. First response is 2 hours. Average time to triage is 3 days. Average time to bounty 18 hours. Okay. All these are good. So let's see here. Limit to. You can go through all these and read these. I'm not going to read through them. Just want to see here the type of bounties. 0 day, obviously. Disclosure of public files or directories. This one is good. We can try this one. This one is one of the easiest to find. Use of non-vulnerable library. Okay. If options or trace HTTP method is enabled, this one's also a bug. Oh yeah, these are types of bugs that will not be accepted. I was wondering why they're putting in a lot of very easy bugs. Fine. So reports generated from automatic tools. So they want us to do mostly manual hacking, which is fine. Missing security headers. This one you can check even with the gripper on. Go and try this one. Go and try it out. It's great. And it's written by me. Of course, it's written by me. You can go and try it out. We can try to see security headers with, don't know if I wrote it here. Yeah, this one here. The second, just to see if the Oppo account. Let's check the scope to see if it misses the security headers. So let's see. This is the scope. I want the wildcard if it's here. I want a wildcard. Oh, they have a lot of. There's this one here, CORS.com. So we can take this one. Yeah, let's take this one. Don't know if we should do only for that. There's also this other one. .net, something.net. We have the main one, oppo.com, manual.com, myos.com, oppomobile.com, myoppo.com. So which one should we start with? Should we start with the colors one, then go down from there? That's how I like to do it. Let's see if we can get something from, like something tangible from colors.com. First, what is colors.com? Let's see first what it is. As it is loading, let's check here, colors.com. I'm eligible, okay. Where are the prices? Like how they've written them. I think it's on scope. Oh yeah, here. Low bounties are $5. How come they're giving out very low bounties? I thought Oppo is a very big company. $5. Huh. Total bounties paid are 1,000. Of course, if you pay people like $5, total bounties will be like 1,000. Average has been $15. But still, it helps. It helps. It helps. The reports resolved as 27. Hackers stamped at 19. Only 19. This is good. Assets in scope are 80. So if you do find this means that you can find some bugs here, since unless it's very, very secure. But if it's not that secure, you can still find some bugs. The reports received are 689. That's good. So the reports received are 90. Oh, this is per 90 days. So reports received per 90 days, and this is per. Maybe it's higher. I don't know. I don't know. But they have a lot of assets in scope. You can check them. So let's see what class.com is first. We didn't even open. Okay. So we're going to leave that one for now. I want something that opens, something that see what you're doing. So I guess we'll go to the main one, the oppo.com one. Where are you? I don't want Oppo mobile. My Oppo, this one here. Let's copy it, paste it here. Then search. Okay, so that is opening. So it opened up. Nice. It's been long since I've seen all of some. There's nothing like some in English. Anyway, it's been long since I last saw an Oppo phone. This is good. I like this one because it somehow looks like Samsung, and I am a very big fan of Samsung. Very, very big fan. Anyway, let's check it out. So for starters, I'm going to go back here, and today I want to use Gripper mostly. I want to use Gripper because you do what you preach. So I'm going to use Gripper today. So I'm just going to go into my CD documents. Then which one do we go to? Stash folder. Stash folder. Do you guys want to see the things I'm working on? These are the things that I've been working on since like the past, I think since the start of this year. But since X, I reported one vulnerability to X. It's still under, is it triage? No. I'll keep you updated on that. And also I have a report that has been pending since the 21st of January from Apple. So we'll see if we get it, we get it. If I get it, I'm going to show you guys. But if I don't get it, well. So I guess if you've reached here in this video, pray for me. Please do pray for me so that I get the bounty from Apple because it's a big one. It's a very, very big one. And if I do get it, I'm going to do what's it called? A giveaway. Okay. So let's see. So since we're here, we're going to make a directory. If you are new to Linux, mkdir is make a directory. A directory just basically means a folder. So we make a directory and we're going to call it I don't know if you can see this, let me add a bit. Let's see. We make a directory and we're going to call it, what are we doing? Oppo. So let's do Oppo. So make a directory, we call it Oppo. Then we move into the directory. The CD means change directory. So CD directory, the directory called Oppo. Then clear. Then in here, the first things first, I'm going to call Gripper just so you see its functions. So I'm going to do this. I haven't really, what's it called? I haven't looked it up. I can do that right now, but I think it will take longer. So let's just continue. So it's in the documents folder. and then into the tools folder, and then gripper, and then again gripper. So if I just press like or gripper -h, if I press this, it's going to run. Just a minute, just a minute, just a minute. Yeah, it runs. The reason why it's running without adding here Python is because, let me just clear. If I nano it, so I'm going to go back up, then home. If I nano, no, I don't think it will open up like that. Oh yeah, I pressed the H. So if I nano this, you see this here, we're starting an environment, a Python 3 environment. So if you just run it, and I also did the, what's it called? I also did the sudo change mode plus X to make it executable. So when it executes, it executes with the Python 3 environment. So that's why. So if I just go back, Control X, then it works. Okay. So if I just run it like this without the Python, it just runs. So if I clear, again I'll do the -h one. I'm going to close this one. So if I run it, let me just add down here. I think the video has reached like already 6 minutes or 10 minutes already, and I think I'm talking too much. Anyway, so this one was built by me, obviously. We're going to use it. This is how you use it. So first things first, we're going to start with the subdomain enumeration for Oppo. Then after we get it, we're going to do some crawling and crawling. Let's just do some crawling. We can also try to look for the IP to see, attempt a WAF bypass if it has WAF. We're going to see, we're also going to check the security headers. So they said that the security headers, they don't qualify as a bug, but we can just check them. In fact, let's just start with that. So I'm going to do again this. Then we just want the one URL, so -u. Then I'm going to do, I'll just come back up here, take the whole this, then come in here. Then I'm going to paste it. I'm going to remove the KE. You all know that I'm from Kenya, so it doesn't really matter. After removing that, I'm going to do, we're starting with the security header, so -sec. We're not going to save it, or should we save it? I don't know why my terminal keeps doing this. If somebody knows a fix, as you can see, the sec is here, but for some reason it disappears sometimes. If somebody has a fix for that, please tell me. I've tried to fix it. I've really tried to fix it. So let's just save it with -o. Then on -o, we're going to save it as security headers. So security headers .txt. Then I run it. So it's going to start the gripper subdomain, not subdomain, the gripper security header scanning. And here we can see we have the strict transport security. It also shows the maximum edge of it. We have the content security policy missing, XFrame options is in there, X content type options is in there, referral policy is missing, permissions policy is missing, X XSS protection, so XSS will be a bit harder, meaning they have some work in it. Cross origin open policy is missing, cross origin resource. Oh, this is good. You can try the CORS Misconfiguration later on. Cross origin embedder policy is missing. They don't have any cache. They have a cache control, but no cache means that doing cache deception will be a bit harder. Anyway, clear site data is missing. Access control allow origin exists. Oh no, it controls the cause. Okay. Feature policy is also missing. Let's clear that. ls, I should have my security headers.txt there. So let's start by subdomain enumeration. I'll just show you the security headers that are missing and the ones that are in there. Anyway, let's go back up here. Then here I'm going to clear this one. Then I'm just going to put subs.txt. Then here instead of sec, we're going to use -s, then the URL. Okay, it's fine. Then if you press enter, it's going to do the grep subdomain enumeration. So enumerating subdomains means that finding out there's something missing from my requirements. That's why this grep is not working here. I'm going to fix that later on. So we're starting the subdomain enumeration. It's going to take a while, but not that long, but it's going to take a while. While that is going, let's just go back to Oppo. So the subdomain enumeration, apparently my head is thinking faster than my mouth, so I end up fumbling my words. Anyway, if you don't know what subdomain enumeration, that should be like your first step if you're starting out. So if you're starting out, subdomain enumeration means that we're looking for the subdomains like, for example, this one has www. This is a subdomain of Oppo. The real domain is oppo.com. So this is a subdomain of Oppo. Maybe there is shop.oppo.com, maybe business.oppo.com, maybe. Let's see. Oh, it finished. How come it's only found one? There must be something wrong with grep. Maybe the requirement's missing. Maybe there's a problem with it. Oh, this is going to be a problem. This is going to be a problem. Anyway, we can just do like let's do what should we do? Maybe my internet is wrong. Is a bit slow. Because I don't think Oppo has only one. I don't think it has only one. No. I can't accept it. I don't think it has only one. Anyway, let's continue. So let's see. Document tools, grep. What I want to do, I want to call this Oppo. Let's call. Oh yeah, I know the reason why it gets only oppo.com, only www.oppo.com. So the reason is, don't laugh at me, please. The reason is, instead of writing the wildcard here, I wrote https://www.oppo.com. Don't laugh at me, please. Okay. So if we do that, we should get more than whatever this is. Let's press enter again. And let's just leave it. Let's see how long it will take. So here, they have some nice phones. Though I've never owned an Oppo phone. Didn't know even they had AI. Lately, I've just been looking into Samsung and iPhones. Because those are the brands that I like. Don't tell the Oppo guys. They have the 5Gs, 0.8x, times 8, whatever that means. They have other products like watches. Don't know what Enco Air is. They have buds. Okay, probably you can check this site. Let me just close all this again. You can find it on github.com algorithm pwd grep. So I'm just going to close all this because I want my burp suite here to be clean. So I'm going to do here the Foxy proxy, put it to burp. Then I'm going to reload this. When I reload, the professional version already starts here, auditing it because I have this checked on. So it checks, maybe looks like here there's cross-site scripting, but probably they don't work. I'd say that. And even this is for Google, not even Oppo. Anyway, unless it's something like this one, and it's still Google. Why is it still Google? Maybe there are some Google APIs on Oppo. Anyway, let's go here to the proxy. Let's go to the HTTP history. So here we have like oppo.ke HTML. That's 22. Oh yeah, I did this. So this is going to go. Let me do this here so that I know where I started from. I started from here down here. So this is 223 kilobytes, 223,000 kilobytes. And here it's AKE because of where I am. You all know that. Let's see the response here. We have XSS protection, like we saw the security header there. Let me check if this is finished. Oh yeah, it has finished. So before we continue, like I said, always start with looking for the subdomains. So like you see, all these are subdomains, things that we didn't have, means that every single this might be vulnerable. Might. Not all of them are, but they might be vulnerable. So first of all, what we want to do is we're going to see the gripper help menu again. I want to check if they're live or not. So gripper is taking a little longer. Okay, here it comes. So URL, okay, subdomain. Here. No, where is it? Not hosted. You can scan even for CORS and check it out. This one is what I wanted. Check if the target subdomains are live and responding. So what we're going to do, we're going to use -l for these lists. We have the URLs in a list, and that list is called subs.txt. Then we're going to use -h, not -h, -lv to check if the subdomains are live. Then we're going to save it out with -o to save it out to, let's say, livesubs.txt. I hope up to this point you have understood what I'm trying to do. If you're a professional, you probably understand what I'm doing. But if you're starting out, I hope you're understanding what I'm doing. Okay. So I put enter. I should have put it when I was talking. Anyway, let it run. Let's go back. So it's starting the HTTP probing here. You can probably do this with HTTPX if you have it. But Gripper has everything, so you can just do it with Gripper. So let's see here what we can do. Here we have an ID here. Let's see. So this is a JTAG. Is it a script? Yeah, it is a script. Where is it coming from? That's for Google. No, I don't want that. So we have APIs, we have config global.js. So the other thing that the other day I did something like this. So let's say this one. So I'll do Control R to send it to the repeater. So if I send it, this is the response. It comes back with Oppo and stuff. So here we have a cookie website. Let's try to put this to example.com. Can remove this one. If I send it again, what happens? I still get Oppo. So meaning the cookie is not, we can't do anything on the cookie probably. We can still, let's say cookie X is accepted. Let's try to put it to false and see. Just play with these scripts. Play with them. So like I was saying, I was testing this other thing the other day. Here, instead of this global config.js, and apparently it worked. So instead of this, I won't say where it worked, but apparently it worked. I placed what's it called, a payload here. So I placed, so this is going to be this, so that it can escape whatever it's calling. Then we're going to use an image, just the normal script that how am I fumbling a lot? The normal script that I like using. So here it's an image source equals to X, then on error, what do we do on error? I wrote it somewhere. Let's see. Here it is. So I don't even need to do this. Don't even need to do this. So I can just paste it. So image source equals to X on error alert, then we get the document location. We can try to see if we get the document. If we get the location, let's try that one first. Apparently on the program that I was doing, it worked and it was considered a bug. This one we get a precondition failed. And we have here, let's try to render it and see. Is Oppo a Chinese company? I didn't know that. I didn't know that. So hacker, whatever. We're trying to access, but we've been given an X. Anyway, let's go back to Pretty. Let's try to see if we get here options and send it. Still get that. Always try this one. Always try this one. Because on the program that I was working on, I probably won't say what it is, but on the program that I was working on, one of the JS, once you place that payload there, it gave me some more paths on the response. Which for me, I reported and I got some bug. Not some bug, I got some bounty on it, so I am happy. Anyway, let's go back here. So this is finished. These are the ones that it has found that are live. They're not like these are too many, so you must do this just to get again. Do you see here? If somebody knows a fix for this, please do help me. I have really tried to look for the fix. I don't know why it sometimes some words disappear for a while. Right now it's here, but sometimes it disappears. Sorry. So if we ls, we first started with the subs.txt, then now we have the live subs.txt. So if I do that, so if I cut the live subs, we have all these. These are the live subs. Let's see if we have something like a control panel. Like I said that time, business, but this one's business pre. Okay, we have a dev here. Oh, there's this one, even there's a business here. Okay, there's a cloud. Auto discover. I'm trying to see if there's a panel somewhere. There's a CRM here. Let's see, find. There's another dev here. Find. Okay. We can try to see which ones are really live that respond to what's it called? Which ones respond to what's the name that I'm looking for? The status codes. We can try to see the status codes. So with that, I'm going to go back here. I'm not even going to save them. I just want to see. So instead of -lv, I'm going to use -sc for status codes. Then here I'm going to do live subs.txt, then enter. So let's see which ones are on 200, which ones are on 300. So the ones in purple are on 400s, are on redirects, I mean. So they're being redirected to whatever here. Like www is being redirected. This one that has /ke. The green ones are on 200. Do you see what I mean? Like here there's 200 written here, but now it ain't showing. Do you see? If you have a fix for that, please help me. Okay. So CRM. So most of these are live. This one is being redirected to this. MST. What's this? Let's try to open it and see. As that is opening, let's continue to see here. So it has opened. Sign in with your what's MSTS client. A Federation Microsoft Online. Oh, probably this Microsoft something. Let's see here. Let's look at it in this. I hope this is Oppo. Yeah, it's oppo.com. Let's look at it on Babsuit. So let's go to proxy history. Which one is it? Is it That's analytics? MSTS here. Or rather, let's go down a bit. So there's this one, but this one, no. This one here. Let's send it to the repeater. So we have the username. Oh, sign in one. Let's see if I send it. I want to see if there's cache somewhere. And Oppo has a cookie named oppo.com. I'm seeing it everywhere in Oppo. Okay. I'll look at it later. Let's see, enter your ID format. So there's a script here. See data login errors, username. Enter your user ID format. Always read the scripts. Always read the scripts. Always read the scripts. The scripts can tell you something else. Always read the scripts. Okay. So this they're using this script to authenticate someone. I'm trying to see if there's Vision class mode match logins. Okay. This is a CSS, so no, nothing from that. JavaScript is required. Okay. This one just goes on and on and on. Okay. There is CSS. There's a script here, but how come I'm not reading it well? There should be a bar here. Always read the scripts. Always read the scripts. I'm trying to see if there's something we can find inside these scripts. So let's see here. We have additional file resources. ADFs, portal images, HLD. This is ADF, LS. So as first thing, as you can see here, this one is ADF, then LS. This is one path. Then here, there's another one called portal. As you can see here. So if I try to go to that portal, so instead of this, I'm going to copy. I probably will go to images. So I just want to see if it will open up. So all these, I'm going to delete them. Then instead of ls, I'm going to paste this. Remove these ADFs. Try that. Let's see if it will open up the images tab. Okay, let's go back to Babsuit. Babsuit tells us a lot. Let's go up. Didn't it load? Where are you? Let's reload it again. It didn't load. Is it my bundles the problem or what's the problem? Let me try to do a private window. I don't want it to affect PUB, so I'll disable this. Let's see. My data is still on, so this is just not loading. Let's go back here. Where is it? Where's the repeater tab? Here, let's try to copy the whole this. So it's saying this one, and there's also hld.jpg. Okay. So let's do here. We can even try to fuzz here if we'd like. Oh yeah. Go to what I had copied. So if I run it, if I run it, it's still not showing me. And oh, I removed Bob, so here Bob. Let's reload it again. So why is nothing happening? Why is nothing happening? That's the end of the script. Let's see on the proxy tab if we have something. Oh, I guess this is the problem. Okay, so MSTS, this one here, it's not found. Huh. This one also, they're all four false, except this one. And this is the one that we've been looking into. The one that sets its own repeater. How come they are not found? But at least they gave us this. So we have here. Ah, no, this go to repeater. So here, if I remove this, if I send that, so the problem why I'm not fuzzing is because I recently lost all my data. Not recently. I removed I removed some functions like the checklist one. I removed it, but I'm going to reinstall them. I was just doing something else that needed a lot of space, so I had to remove them. If you ask me what I did, probably won't tell you. So here we can try to do dot 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 slash slash dot 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 slash slash dot 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 slash slash. Then let's try etc slash pass wd. If we send this, so it's still not working. So let's see here the content type. If it's written somewhere here. Application XML. Let's try to find the XML if it's in there. On the proxy here. Is there any XML here? There's somebody who asked about XXE. I'll do them maybe in the next video. Maybe in the next video. Yeah. So this is making me sidetrack. So let's see here. So we are done with that. Let's try, instead of this, let's try to look for the CORS misconfiguration. So we do CORS and run it. I'm not going to save it also because I don't know if it will find anything or not. If it does find, I'll redo it and save it. So misconfiguration found. This is probably because there was a header missing. Don't know if the header is still up here. No, I removed it. So some of them will say that, but still, I think this might be. It might be. What do I say? So here it says that allow control origin. Let's try to do this one. See if it will do it. Dangerous methods are allowed, like put or delete. Which one is this? Community.oppo.com. Let's try to open it and see. How I'm opening it is just going here, pressing Control and then clicking it. That opens it. So you can check all these to see if you will find any code misconfiguration on them. I want to check, here it says that origin reflection none, dangerous methods are allowed. But meaning being allowed doesn't mean that it will work. But we're going to see. So X control headers track requested. Save to cloud token or cloud. Anyway, as you can see, grip is very effective. It collects them. It really collects them. So which one is this? This one is just community. So this one here. So let's see on the BAP suit. Let's see on the BAP suit. Where does it start? Let's go down. But it opens a lot of assets. opens up a lot of assets. So let's see here. Where are you starting from? Here, this one. And look at this. This one has like a million. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yes, a million on just one script. This one we must check it. So Control R. A million means, I think a million means that. Does it mean 1 GB? Yeah, it probably means 1 gigabytes. Or am I getting confused? This is in kilobytes. Or is it in bytes? I think it's in kilobytes. So a million kilobytes. Is it? I think it's gigabytes. It comes to gigabytes. I'm not really sure about that, but I think it comes to gigabytes. Okay, so you were to check out this one, no, this one. Control R, go to repeater. So here we come back to the gripper. So on gripper it says that we can try to use this one. Copy, control. No. Why do I always forget this? Now where am I going? Where am I going? Where am I going? I don't know if you guys would like to get some Python classes, because when I wrote this script, I wrote it in Python, and as you can see, it's very, very effective. Now, where is it? This events, dev, finder. Oh yeah, here. I think I saw it here. So if I copy this, then Control Shift and C, come back here. Then here, I don't know if we should put it on this side. Let's just try to put it here. So first things first, I'm going to put in like something that won't affect, if it does work, something that won't affect the whole system. So let's do just -cb123. If I send this one, we still get a 200. Okay, so you can just put it there. So if it affects, it will affect this only, any browser that opens up this one, so that doesn't affect the whole system. So cache control, no cache, which is fine, we saw it earlier. Anyway, let's see here. If we try to do, what do they want to do? Here I want to add like, let's say origin, and let's equate it to evil.com. If I send this one, we still get a 200. Okay, let's see if evil.com is reflected anywhere. So evil, as you can see here, it's reflected. It's reflected. It reflected. So anyway, let's see here. Let's try to do example.com. So if I send it, so we get nothing. But evil.com's, apparently it opens it up. Oh yeah, it's here. Example.com, it's here. So let's try first, before we do anything, let's try to do here, instead of this, let's try to see if we can do some SSRF. So I'm going to use, where is it? BAP collaborator. Okay, and send this one. So let's see, access control allow origin. Here we have it. So if it's allowed, let's go here to collaborator. Let's try to poll and see. Nothing's happening. Anyway, before we go even further, here on repeater, on origin, let's try to see if we can put in like a payload or something of the sort. So let's see. What can we do? What can we do? Let's say origin, and then we create it to. Then go back here to my clipboard. Where is it? This one. Let's paste it there. Let's set it first like that and see. We do have it here. I don't know if it executes. Let's just copy request in browser in original session. Then copy this. Come here, paste it, run it. Let's see if it will launch it. So it doesn't. But as you can see, Gripper actually works. Not actually. That will mean that it doesn't work. It didn't work before. Gripper works. Gripper works. Here, as you can see on the course of this one, you can try testing it with origin. Okay. So I'm going to first, I'm going to copy this. Then I'm going to send it to my friend who actually does, who causes his favorite. So I'm going to copy this Control-Shift-C. Then I'm going to send this. So he will tell me what he thinks. Then I'll get back to you, please. Okay. This video stops from here, but not that it's going to continue. I'm going to do a part 2 if we find anything on this. We're going to see. Okay. So I'm going to go here and close this. You can also test it out. You can test out Gripper and see. Okay. Please note that this video is continuing, but after we have tried to look for something. Not that it's finishing right away. But I'm going to send it to him right now so that he looks into it. Then he tells me. Then I'll tell you guys what happened. Okay.